Hi, everybody. This is your host, Tech Tony, here with another quick 10-minute or less video for your 10-minute learning series. Today, what we're going to do is be able to find open houses on the MLS. So this will be the great tool for you, those of you who are looking for your clients and you want to see what properties in the MLS are on open house tours, whether they're a public open house or a broker's open house. So with that said, let's get started. So what we're going to do here is we're going to log into the MLS. And from here, we're just going to really quickly move our mouse to where it says search, and we're going to click on the word search to open up all of our available different property types. And now what we're going to do is we're going to scroll right on down to the bottom to where it says, or near the bottom to where it says open house, and we're going to click on where it says quick. From here, we're now going to input our search criteria. One of the really nice things that we don't have to worry about inputting in is a status. On an open house, whether it's public or brokers, only active and active under contract properties are able to be on the public open house or even on a broker's open house, and those are immediately highlighted for you. What you want to do is put in maybe the city or the MLS area, or you could draw out your map search. So maybe in the case I want to look for open houses in the city of Irvine, I'm going to come to the city field and I'm going to type in Irvine. To select Irvine, I'm going to follow it with a comma. If I wanted to look for multiple cities, just like in a regular search, type in the name of the full city, type a comma. Now for the next city, no space after the comma, and begin to type in the next city. And then to select that city, type a comma. Now, once you've typed in your cities or city, come over to the tour date and put in your date of the tour. So maybe I want to look for properties that are on tour for, I don't know, this Saturday. So I'm going to put in my Saturday's date. And if you don't know what date this Saturday is, just simply click on the calendar icon. And from here, click on the date that you want to find properties that are scheduled for that day. From here, you're going to select the open house type. Now, right now, you have virtual public open houses and virtual broker open houses. Eventually, we will have regular public open houses and regular broker open houses, but you can simply select which open house type you're looking for. And now we can come down to the bottom and we see that currently there are 2 matches that are on for tour for this coming weekend. When I click on the results, I have now pulled up the properties. Now I can click on the MLS listing number, look at those agent full reports, or I can select the properties and then under actions, go under directions and route my day for the tours. So here we see the first property, the second property in their order. We can mix and match them around. And now I have my driving day all set for me that I can now come down below and print out. That's how easy it is to search for open houses on the MLS. If you have any questions, please feel free to either call me or email me. My email is Tony, Tony, at ocrealtors.org, or feel free to give me a call at 949-586-6800, extension 104. Have a great day.